Peace and blessings. You are listening to Reverend and High Priestess Thema Azize Serwa, affectionately coined the spiritual business strategist. And I wanted to personally invite you to the 888 Code Experience. I have created a masterclass where you get to really confront the flawed perception of yourself that is impacting your ability to birth out, sustain, or scale up your business. I remember the cost of my insecurities. I remember the impact of my self-identity crisis. And what I have found in my years of coaching entrepreneurs, both when I was in the corporate world, as well as a full-time entrepreneur of many years, what I have seen for myself with people that I've worked with is that when you don't believe in yourself, it shows in how the business operates. Poor operation of your business is a self-identity crisis. It really does take more than ideas, encouragement. It even takes more than accountability to experience high-level business success. And I'm talking about the kind of success that will create a legacy of wealth. It will be sustainable even once you're gone. It's not that you need another strategy. It's not that you need another marketing template. No, what you need is accountability in closing the gap on how you are operating your business. And again, poor operation of your business is a self-identity crisis. On some level, you have disconnected from the truth of who you are, and it's showing up in your revenue. It's showing up in how the business is functioning, and not recognizing yourself decreases your capacity to show up for success. You will literally run out of fuel to operate at your true capacity. Some of you have invested in business coaching and mentorship before. Some of you, this masterclass may be your first encounter. This class is for people who want a strong foundation in establishing their business, people who have been in business, maybe you just started up, or if you've been in business for a while and you're at a point where you're trying to figure out what's next. If you aren't trademarked and you haven't established brand protection, you need this class. If you have poor time management skills and no estate planning in place and you don't have a solid business infrastructure, or if you're riding off of the trends in your industry instead of your own creativity, you need this class. If you're feeling overwhelmed by marketing, or if you're in the red with your business revenue, or you might be someone who's been able to successfully establish a lot of media recognition, but you're not scaling up in your business, or you're feeling depressed over your passion, but keep pushing to serve and show up, you need this class. I don't know what's happened before, and there's a real experience of entrepreneurial trauma that people encounter. But it's okay to recognize where you were or were not emotionally prepared for success. Because I can promise you this, you don't need new information. If you had a coach before, your coach was not responsible for your self-application. You got some keys to unlock some things within yourself. You're just still searching for the doors to unlock. And what I do in this class is I help you find your doors. I help you use your keys. And I help you unlock every door you want to walk through. You need yourself. You need to become reacquainted with your vision. You need to heal and heal everything. I am happy to be in a position where I can teach people in business how to be their powerful selves. And as a result of that, their businesses align with their clarity. I cannot wait to see you in this class. It is not your traditional learning environment. It is non-conventional business coaching masterclass. We're working. We're docking up. We're looking at your systems. We're getting your calendar organized. You, by day 2 and 3, will be seeing a return on your investment and revenue starting to come in. If you are ready to change your perception of yourself, that is the key. And it is a phenomenal experience, not just for my students, but for me. I take great joy in being able to see people remember who they are and apply themselves. So I love you, and I can't wait to see you in class. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself and my team, and we will be happy to correspond with you. Peace.